Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Thanksgiving, Christmas, extra, leftover turkey. Today what I'm going to be doing is a really simple, it's really not going to take long, fabulous turkey fried rice. Indian kind of style, you know, it's got some lovely spices in there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 cups here of a cold cooked basmati rice. Now, cold I always find important. That was cooked yesterday and it's been in my refrigerator. Hot and cold rice doesn't fry so well, I find. There's our turkey, the leftover turkey. I've cut that nice and small. You can shred it if you want. I've got about 1.5 cups there. Onion, just under 1 cup. 1 cup here of frozen green peas. I just rinsed them under some warm water. 1/2 cup of cilantro or coriander. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Some fresh chili. The amount is up to you. And then I've got here a teaspoon of the big 4. If you're a regular to this show, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Chili, turmeric, coriander, and cumin powders. And here I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil. I'm using coconut oil today. So I've got coconut oil in there. I've got about 3 tablespoons. It's really getting hot. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds. A few seconds. Then we're going to go with the onion and the garlic and ginger. Really high heat. I'll be back in about 2 to 3 minutes. Fantastic, so easy this one. Right, the garden peas, in they go. I mean, you can add any other veg to this as well if you want. In goes our shredded, chopped turkey. In goes fresh chili. I'm going to add some salt to this. And we're going to fry this around for 3 minutes. Really simple, really easy. Next up, the cold rice. 3 cups there of cooked cold rice. And then we're going to drop in our powders. Now, I'm using individual powders, a teaspoon each of chili, coriander, cumin, and turmeric. If you want, or you don't have these, you could just use a curry powder that you have. A nice little mix, and stay on this high heat and fry the rice. So many people just toss it around for a couple of minutes. We're going to be like 5 minutes of actually frying this rice. And as you can see, our rice is beautiful and nice kind of individual kind of grains. That's because we use the cold cooked rice. It's not wet and soggy. It had time to dry out, you see. Right, off goes the heat, in goes the cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. Little mix, it's done. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. So easy and really delicious. Try the coconut oil because it gives it a really, really lovely flavour. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.